What's up guys, it's Fabs from PicMonkey. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your home screen on the new iOS update. So in order to get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and update your phone so that you have the latest software update, which is called iOS 14. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to settings, then general, and update your software. Once you have iOS 14, go ahead and download the Widgets app. That is the app we're gonna be using to customize our homepage. The third thing you wanna do in order to get started is clean out your home screen. So if you're anything like me, you probably have a bunch of apps that you don't necessarily use every single day. There's an app that you use only once a month or maybe even once a week. You're gonna wanna hold down the app and click remove app. Don't worry, that's not gonna delete your app. All you have to click is move to app library. That is gonna keep it in the app library. You just don't have it on your home screen. You don't need to stare at it every single day. So once you've done all those three things, get iOS 14, download Widgetsmith, and clean up your home screen so that you have only the apps that you're using every single day. And once you've done all of that, we're ready to start designing. So open up PicMonkey on mobile or on desktop, whichever you prefer, and let's start designing.
PicMonkey has thousands of graphics that are actually perfect for updating your home screen. The first thing I'm going to do is create a color palette. This will make sure that all of my colors are consistent. Once you've grouped your color palette, you can head over to the graphics. For this design, I'm going to use app icons that you can find under business. I'm going to choose this message graphic, and I'm going to use the color picker to choose a color from my color palette. Now I'm going to make the background the same color. I'm going to move the color palette off my canvas and export it. I'm going to do the same for all of the app icons. And I'm going to open up the Shortcuts app. Click the plus sign and add an action. Type in Open App. Once you click on Open App, select Choose and type in the name of the app that you would like to replace. Click the three dots at the top right and type in the name of the shortcut, which in this case will be Messages. Choose the new app icon that we just made in PicMonkey. Click Add and then Done. Now you'll see the icon on your home screen. Then it's just out with the old and in with the new. Once you've updated all of your app icons, go ahead and adjust the placement. Next up, let's create some widgets. For one of my widgets, I want to have an inspirational quote, so I'm going to go ahead and design that in PicMonkey. Once again, I'm using my color palette so that the entire theme stays consistent. Once I finish my design, I'm going to open up the Widgetsmith app. As you can see, there are small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. For this one, I'm going to choose the medium one. I'm going to click on the style and scroll through, and as you can see, there are tons of options to choose from. For my custom design, I'm going to choose Photo and select Choose Photo. I'm going to click on my inspirational quote that I designed in PicMonkey, and I'm going to change the name. Changing the name is important, and in a few moments you'll see why. Now I'm going to hold down my thumb on the screen and click the plus button at the top left. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down and go to Widgetsmith and select Medium, and my quote will come up right away. I'm going to adjust the placement. And now I want to do the same thing again and add a small widget. This time I have other widgets there. So it's important that I change the name right away. I'm going to click on the widget, and again I'm going to choose Photo and select a design I made in PicMonkey. I'm going to save it and head back to my home screen. I'm going to hold down my thumb again and click the plus button and scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith. This time I'm going to select a small one, and as you can see, it's the wrong image. No problem, just click on it and choose rainbow. All of these home screen designs were designed entirely in PicMonkey, and you can do the same. Here's a tip. If you're on PicMonkey.com or PicMonkey Mobile, choose the stock photo option and type in a color. That'll give you amazing options for your home screen aesthetic. You can also use PicMonkey textures for cool gradient looks, gold foils, and more. And that is how you update your iOS 14 home screen. We'll see you next time.